Is this future possible? The future belongs to those who can shift from being consumers to cultivators. How do we lead our teams through change and disruption? We're all trying to navigate this age of lightning-fast digital disruption where change is a supersonic jet.
Jay brings 13 plus years of strategy and human capital consulting experience to the table.
Jay has advised thousands of organizational leaders on designing, developing, and delivering organizational transformation.
His work has been featured in the Financial Times, the Globe and Mail, Financial Post, and many more. Please join me in welcoming JQ.
I just had to ask ChatGPT, how are we going to be disrupted? And this is what it said. I said, hey, if I was an HR professional, how would you replace my job? And started to reply back and it said, you know what? I'm coming for you. It didn't say that. It didn't say that at all. In fact, what ChatGPT said was this. I'm going to replace the redundant, the repetitive, the repeatable tasks. Over the past 3 years, I think we've seen an unparalleled shift to when, where, and how we work.
Jay led a great introduction to our Disrupt Vancouver tonight. It was amazing. I love that he brought in this amazing level of storytelling and really initiated a lot of fun energy in the crowd tonight.
That was extremely insightful. I really appreciate it. Very well done, very well presented, and your approach to taking a problem for the audience, getting interest from them, and then providing options for them that they can immediately put into place was bang on.
The practicality of it was amazing.
If you are the leader that's able to step forward and create a culture where we're discerning to direct, meaning we're not focusing on what matters now, we're focusing on what matters most. We're realizing interconnected innovation by bringing together collisions of thought, both cross-functionally and with technology, and we're able to cultivate contribution over participation, meaning people are actually able to grow and flourish, and you are able to bring your vision of what you've always dreamed of to life, allowing people to bring their best selves to work. Are you ready to evolve your vision?